Hi friend! Let's study God's Word. So ano natin is sa daily hope of Pastor Rick Warren. How to succeed at work. So sabi niya, start. Ano ba yung mga tips niya? How to be successful at work. Number 1, start working enthusiastically wherever you are. So kumbaga, Pastor Rick Warren is saying, yung work natin doesn't have to be with the position that we are handling. So, we may be a janitor, but we have to be the best janitor. We have to clean the office. We have to clean the toilets and bath of the office. Organize natin yung mga materials, office supplies in the office. Or if we are a trainer, let's give the best training modules sa ating mga participants, di ba? A doctor. So let's give the past medical intervention to our patients. So kumbaga yun nga, we can be the best in whatever field that we are in. No? Number 2, understand who you're really working for. So sinasabi ni brother or ni Pastor Rick Warren is we serve at the pleasure of the Lord. So hindi yung boss natin dito sa earth, our earth boss, but if we offer all our accomplishment, our daily to-do tasks to the Lord, parang we should treat the Lord as if siya yung boss natin. So parang we are really working for the Lord. So we will have a different feeling. Number 3 is concentrate or building your character. So friend, hindi skills ang pinapabuild sa atin ni Lord, our character. So sabi nga, we may not be able to bring the riches or the money that we earn here or we save here. But yung character natin, madadala natin yan sa heaven. Number 4, care about those you work with. So, ayan, have concern sa ating mga co-employees. So, if we can extend services or support, let's do that. Number 5 is exceed what is expected of you. So, yung job description natin is what is expected of us, but we can go beyond that by having the initiative. So, I'm an HR practitioner, pero sometimes I was asked to assist sa marketing by checking on other like fast foods, ano ba yung mga local marketing trends nila, how is their structure, how do they go about it, how do they execute. So, hindi siya connected with your line of expertise, pero you provide information, di ba? Next, number 6 is expand your skills with continuous learning. Ayan, ISO principle, continual improvement. So, that's why tayo po, we are interested with a lot of books kasi we feel from the knowledge of others na nag-gain nila through their personal experience, we'll be able to learn or add dun sa skills, knowledge, and experience that we have. Next, dedicate your work to be used for God's purpose. So sabi nga, 'di ba? Understand who you're really working. So si Lord daw ang ating ultimate boss. So knowing that kung nasaan tayo ngayon na trabaho or company, the Lord placed us there kasi meron siyang mission. He wants us to achieve something in this particular work area or office. So, yan. These are the tips of Pastor Rick Warren on how to be successful at work. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.